Welcome to today's episode of Spelling Bee Ninja, where we explore the fascinating world of geography and weather patterns that shape our planet. In this lesson, we will dive into how global weather systems operate and how they are influenced by climate across different regions. Whether you're in a sun-soaked desert or a chilly tundra, understanding the weather around you can be a thrilling journey of discovery. So let's embark on our adventure through the climate extremes and weather wonders of our world. To kick off our exploration, let's talk about temperatures and where the extremes occur. The highest temperature ever recorded on Earth is a staggering 56.7 degrees Celsius, or 134 degrees Fahrenheit. This scorching heat was registered on July 10, 1913, in Death Valley, California. Interestingly, Death Valley isn't just known for its heat, it's a place situated 86 meters below sea level, which contributes to trapping heat and creating incredibly high temperatures during the summer months. For context, the ground surfaces in Death Valley can reach temperatures hot enough to fry an egg. Meanwhile, in contrast, the record for the lowest temperature ever recorded on Earth hits an astonishing minus 89.2 degrees Celsius, or minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit. This record was set on July 21, 1983, at Vostok Station in Antarctica. Here, the elevation is 3,488 meters above sea level, and conditions are so extreme that metal can stick to your skin instantly. It's also worth mentioning that Vostok holds the record during polar nights, when the sun doesn't rise for 4 months. Now, moving to rainfall, there's a little village in Meghalaya, India, that is known as the wettest place on Earth. It receives over 11,800 millimeters of rain annually, making it truly unique. The village derives its name from the Khasi language, meaning home of clouds. During the monsoon season, the rainfall intensity increases, contributing to the area's lush landscape. The locals have ingeniously adapted to this environment by creating living bridges made from the roots of rubber trees. These natural marvels not only serve their practical purpose but also blend beautifully into the stunning scenery. Next, we venture into one of the driest places on Earth, the Atacama Desert in Chile. Picture this: in some areas, it has received no recorded rain for over 400 years. The average yearly rainfall is just 1 to 3 millimeters. In fact, some weather stations in this desert have never recorded even a single drop. This is such a unique place that NASA uses it to test Mars rovers because the desolate conditions resemble those on the red planet. When rain finally does occur, as it did in 2010 after years of dryness, the desert bursts into color with flowers blooming from long dormant seeds, creating a breathtaking sight called the Flowering Desert. Now, on to winds. Let's shift our focus to Antarctica once again, where the strongest sustained winds on Earth can be found. Here, average wind speeds hit 80 kilometers per hour year-round, and the fastest wind ever recorded reached an unbelievable 327 kilometers per hour. These powerful katabatic winds occur when cold air descends, causing remarkable weather phenomena, creating blue ice areas as the winds strip away snow. Scientists regularly navigate this extreme environment, often tying themselves to ropes to avoid being swept away. Moving on to lightning, there is a place in South America known as Lake Maracaibo which experiences an astonishing average of 250 lightning strikes per square kilometer each year. This phenomenal activity comes from the collision of warm, moist air from the Amazon with the cold mountain air from the Andes, leading to intense thunderstorms almost every single night. It's no wonder it holds the Guinness World Record for the highest concentration of lightning strikes. Now let's discuss hurricanes, or as they are known in the Pacific, typhoons. The ocean basin that produces the majority of these storms lies between the Philippines and Japan. Here, 25 to 30 tropical cyclones form each year. These storms thrive on the warm ocean waters which exceed 26.5 degrees Celsius. One of the most significant cyclones ever recorded, Typhoon Tip, formed in this region in 1979, with winds reaching speeds approaching 305 kilometers per hour. Next up, we have the incredible phenomenon of hail. The largest hailstone ever recorded in the world fell in South Dakota on July 23, 2010. This massive stone measured over 20 centimeters in diameter and weighed close to 1 kilogram. These large hailstones can fall from the sky at speeds exceeding 160 kilometers per hour. It's a frightening reminder of nature's power. Now, let's take a closer look at tornadoes. The country that records the highest number of tornadoes annually is the United States, averaging over 1,200 tornadoes each year. This is largely due to the environment where warm, humid air from the Gulf of Mexico meets cold, dry air from Canada, creating the optimal conditions for supercell thunderstorms that produce tornadoes. The infamous region known as Tornado Alley consists of states like Texas and Oklahoma, where tornadoes can be catastrophic. Finally, we arrive at Hawaii, which is noteworthy for its astonishing number of rainbows. Known as the rainbow capital of the world, this lush paradise experiences over 200 rainbows annually. Perfect conditions lead to rainbow formation. Sunlight filtering through raindrops creates stunning spectra in the sky. The local culture even embraces this natural wonder, with numerous words dedicated to different types of rainbows. From the warm deserts of California to the icy regions of Antarctica, we've journeyed through the diverse climates and weather phenomena that our world has to offer. Each place, with its unique extremes, teaches us about the beauty and power of nature. Today, we explored a fascinating array of weather extremes from the highest and lowest temperatures recorded on Earth to incredible rainfall amounts and impressive storms. We learned about the driest desert, the strongest winds, the most lightning strikes, the most hurricanes, the largest hailstones, and the country most affected by tornadoes. Each of these points vividly illustrates the stunning diversity and dynamism of our planet's weather systems. From the lushness of Meghalaya to the arid expanse of the Atacama Desert, these climates shape our understanding of global weather. Thank you for listening to today's episode of Spelling Bee Ninja. We hope you enjoyed our journey through global weather and the extreme conditions that define various regions around the world. Remember, every drop of rain, every gust of wind, and every beam of sunshine plays a part in the intricate tapestry of our climate. Join us next time as we continue to explore the wonders of geography and the world every one of us shares. Stay curious, and see you soon.